how to add text in Final Cut Pro. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your Final Cut Pro file where you want to add the text, and after that there are two ways. The first one is just simply press Ctrl and T on the board, and this is how it will appear, the title, and you can edit it and add the text accordingly. And just simply click over here on the text button options, and here you can type anything, and here you can choose any font of your choice. You can make it regular and increase the size as well. Now when we scroll down, we can see some more options to it. We can also make changes to the color of it this way, and if you want to add any shadow to it, you can add the glow and outline as well. For adding the shadow, simply select outline and change the color. Let's make it something which is visible over here, and after that just simply increase the width and increase the blur, and it will add some shadow kind of effect to it. This is one way. Now if you want to add the animations to your text, then instead of using the Control T option, which is this one, go into the this option and click on titles, then search for custom, and here you also get 3D text as well. Now select this custom one, which is simple. It is not that fancy, but it has a lot of options which were not there with the Control T option. When we click on this option of T over here, you can see these options. Now let me show you how it makes a difference. Let me type text over here and change the font, increase its size, and let me move it a little down. Let's change its color so you can see it quite easily. Let me add an outline. And now let's see how these options will make a difference. Now suppose I want to see no opacity to it when it enters this text. This is how it will appear. And we can also select the in unit size, which is if we want to see all of the text appear at once, just select all, and the entry will be all the text, each character of it. Now this way you can select different options from the line characters and other stuff as well. Now suppose we want to see whole text coming from the left hand side, so we will put over here as -100, and the text will come up from the left hand side, and this is how it appears. Now this way you can play around with all these settings, with the in settings and out settings, and this is how you would be able to add the text quite easily and play around with it. And this is how we do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.